Hello, friends. How are you? I hope you are doing well. In our previous lesson, we have already discussed about the definition of noun and its various types. Among those, we talked about common noun and proper noun. So today, we are going to learn from the third one, that is abstract noun. So, what is an abstract noun? A noun which refers to intangible ideas, qualities, and conditions, the things that we cannot perceive with our five senses. That means we cannot see, touch, smell, hear, and taste these things, but we can feel these. For example, time, peace, happiness, friendship, and love. So, you can take some more examples also. Let's move to the next one. The next one is the exact opposite of the abstract noun. This is concrete noun. It is a noun which refers to people and things that exist physically and can be seen, touched, smelled, heard, and tasted. For examples, pen, lamp, map, mango, cat, etc. So, you can take some more examples also. And the next is countable noun. A noun that can be counted is called a countable noun. Countable nouns have both singular and plural forms. Some examples are book, dog, car, and house. You can also make plural of these nouns. So you can say books, dogs, cars, and houses. We can count all these things. So these are countable nouns. And the opposite of countable noun is uncountable noun. It is a noun that cannot be counted. Points to remember here: uncountable nouns are always singular and should not be used with the indefinite articles a or an. Water, sugar, tea, gold, and salt are some of the examples of uncountable noun. We cannot count all these things. We cannot count water as a whole. So, we must not say a water or waters. Instead, we need to use measure words to quantify these nouns. So, say instead a glass of water, a cup of tea, 2 spoons of sugar, a pinch of salt. Compound noun. A compound noun is a noun made by putting 2 or more words together to act as one noun. Let's have a look at some of the examples given here. Blackboard, fireworks, ice cream are some of the examples of compound noun. Collective noun, a noun which represents a group of something. It may be a group of people, places, animals, or things. Now, Let's take some examples. A bunch of flowers, a basket of fruits, a flock of birds, a crowd of people, a pack of wolves, a choir of singers, a team of players. Singular noun. The word singular comes from another word single, which means one. So, it is a noun that refers to only one person, one place, one thing, or one idea. Now let's have some examples for singular noun. Boy, star, ox. Here, boy means one boy. Star means one star. Ox means one ox. And by putting a and an before these nouns means the same. A boy means one boy. A star means one star. An ox means one ox. Plural noun. The word plural means many. So, it is a noun that refers to more than one person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Bags means more than one bag or many bags. Fruits means more than one fruit or many fruits. Stars means more than one star or many stars. There are some rules to make a word plural. In the next lesson, we will learn about it. So, for now, I'm signing off. Thank you so much, friends, for watching the video. Take care, and I'm wishing you happy learning.